Today we're looking at motorising a turntable. The turntable consists of a very large Lazy Susan bearing, rated to carry 1,000 pound. Well, it all sounds good in the spec. There's a plywood top, there's a fibreboard top which may need to be beefed up because there's a little bit of flex. Then we have a DC motor running off a 24 volt rechargeable drill battery. 24 volts going to the motor, which goes through a gearbox and drives this pulley. Because 3D printers use these type of pulleys and belts, they're getting more readily available and getting cheaper, so that's good for the do-it-yourselfer like myself. I found the circumference of the bearing, ordered some belt, and then super glued it to the outer race of the bearing. The oversized drive pulley allows for any variance in height, and now all I've got to do is refine the drive mechanism so that there's an element of flexibility, and that'll take up the drive belt to pulley variance as it rotates. It's pretty close, but best to give it some flexibility. And as you see, by applying force with this lever in the downward direction, it just pushes the pulley up against the belt and provides sufficient friction to drive it. And that's how I plan to use this turntable for product design, and then finally product production and advertising. slight pressure, and the turntable drive. The bouncing about is the variance. So that's how I plan to showcase my large models in future. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.